Hello guys, welcome back to Fresh Hobby. So in today's video, we'll talk about a latest off-campus opportunity from TCS. So TCS is conducting the TCS Smart Hiring Drive for the year 2021. So in this video, we'll discuss about all the things one should know before applying for this opportunity from TCS. So in this video, we'll discuss about all the things such as the educational qualifications required and the eligibility criteria and how one can apply for this opportunity, all the links required to apply, and what is the last date for the application process and when the exam will be conducted, and further about the interview dates and all. So we'll discuss all these things in this video. So before moving forward with the video, if you are new to the channel, then please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as I come up with this kind of opportunities on a regular basis. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I make videos on the recruitment process of various MNCs too, and also videos regarding the tips and tricks and all the questions one can face in their interviews. I make videos on that too, so please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's move forward with the today's video, that is about the TCS Smart Hiring 2021. So next we'll talk about TCS. So TCS is an Indian multinational information technology services and consulting company which is headquartered in Mumbai, and TCS is world's 8th largest IT firm. And talking about this drive, that is about the TCS Smart Hiring Drive 2021. So TCS Smart Hiring is exclusively for full-time graduates from BCA and BSc in the streams computer science, IT, statistics, chemistry, physics, electronics, biochemistry and maths. And if you have done B vocational, then your stream should be computer science or IT. And which batches are eligible for this opportunity? So all the pass outs from 2019, 2020 and 2021 batches are eligible. And next we'll talk about the TCS Ignite unit. So students who perform exceptionally during the selection process will get an opportunity to join TCS Ignite unit. So those who will give an exceptionally well performance during the hiring procedure of the TCS Smart Hiring, so they will get a chance to join the TCS Ignite unit. So what is the TCS Ignite unit? So this is a TCS's unique science to software and be trained on latest and trending technologies and open up avenues for full-fledged global IT career. So TCS Ignite unit will give you a chance so that you can get a training on various trending technologies, and it will definitely open all the door for your further opportunities for your global IT career. So next we'll talk about the exam date. So the TCS Smart Hiring test is scheduled for June 6th, that is on Sunday, and they will conduct this exam on 6th of June, and you will receive a confirmation about the test date and time in your hall ticket. So once you apply for this opportunity, you have to mention your email ID there in the application form, so they will communicate all the further details regarding the exam to your official email ID that you have already registered in the application form. And talking about the test details, so the test will have total 80 questions that have to be answered in 120 minutes. So it comprises the following sections. So there are total 3 sections which will be included in the TCS Smart Hiring procedure exam. So the very first section will be a verbal ability. So in verbal ability, they will ask you total 24 questions and give you a time limit of 30 minutes. And in reasoning ability, they will give you 30 questions and a time limit of 50 minutes. And in numerical ability, they will give you 26 questions and give you a time limit of 40 minutes. So overall, they will ask you 80 questions and give you a time limit of 120 minutes. That is 2 hours of the time limit. So what are the prerequisites and requirements for TCS Smart Hiring test? So we will talk about all the prerequisites. So the TCS Smart Hiring test will be in online mode only. So they will conduct this test in an online manner, and you can appear for the online remote proctored assessment using a laptop or desktop, and mobile devices are not supported for this assessment. Please ensure you are equipped with the following. So make sure you have to give this exam only on your laptop or desktop. Mobile is not supported for this assessment. And if you have laptop or desktop, so these are the points you should make sure you fulfill. And the points are like, you should have Windows or Ubuntu OS and Google Chrome browser, and your internet speed will be minimum 2 Mbps internet connectivity and a working webcam, as it will be a completely proctored examination. So make sure you have all the 4 points fulfilled. And next we'll talk about the eligibility criteria for this TCS Smart Hiring. So we'll go one by one through all the points. So a full-time graduate from BCA, BSc in the streams Computer Science, IT, Statistics, Chemistry, Electronics, Biochemistry and Maths, and be vocational in Computer Science and IT can apply. And talking about the percentage criteria, so if you are having a CGPA, then your CGPA should be 5 or 50% throughout the academics in your 10th, 12th BCA or BSc. So make sure you have a minimum score of 50% or 5 CGPA. And for candidates passing out in 2021, the applicant must not have more than one active backlog, that is arrear or ATKT, while appearing for the TCS selection process. No pending backlog for 2019 and 2020 passed out candidates. So this particular point is only for all the 2021 batch students. So make sure while giving the selection process, you should not have more than one active backlog. Then only you are eligible for this opportunity. And for 2019 and 2020 passed out candidates, no backlogs are allowed. So next we'll talk about the overall gap. So the overall gap in academic tenure should not exceed 2 years. So make sure you don't have more than 2 years of gap in your academic career, and the applicant should be between 18 to 28 years at the time of appearing for TCS selection process. And next point is, TCS would be doing eligibility checks at various stages of the selection process. So if a student is found to be ineligible at any stage, TCS reserves the point not to proceed with the candidature. So make sure you follow all these points that I have mentioned in the eligibility criteria. So make sure you fulfill all these things, then only go and apply, because they go through all these things in a very detailed manner. And if you don't fit in any of the eligibility criteria, they have the right to not proceed with your candidature. And next is, students from National Institute of Open Schooling, that is NIOS, standard 10th and 11th, can take the test if full-time graduation is the highest qualification. And last one is, students should not have any extended education in their higher qualification. So next we'll talk about the TCS Smart Hiring application process. So those who are interested to apply for TCS Smart Hiring mandatorily have to register on the below links. So I will provide the link in the description box of the video. So by there you can go and click on that link and apply for this opportunity. So we'll discuss the registration process in a bit. So the very first step is next step portal registration. So if you already have a CTDT reference ID, then please click on login and proceed to fill/submit the application form. Upon submission, you will be prompted to the application for drive screen. Already have an account in next step portal, you will have to just log in and proceed to fill the submit application, and in this way you can apply for this drive. And the step 2 in this will be apply for drive. So complete your application form by uploading a CV and photo, and complete the process by clicking apply for drive on this page. And apply for drive is mandatory for TCS Smart Hiring test. So make sure you are going through all these steps properly, then only your form will be submitted. So if you don't have an account in the Next Step portal, then I will put the link for the Next Step portal in the description box of the video. So from there you can go and create an account in the Next Step portal, and by creating an account and after logging in the Next Step portal, you can just go there and click on the apply for drive in the TCS Smart Hiring Test. In this way you will apply for this opportunity. So I will also show how one can actually apply for this opportunity of TCS Smart Hiring. So I have already mentioned the link required for the same in the description box of the video, so you can go and click on that link. So after clicking on that link, you will be redirected to this official page, so which you can see on your screen right now. So this kind of page will appear. So here you can see TCS Smart Hiring Drive open for the talented 2019-2020 batch BSc, BC and BCS students. So the registration date is 23rd of May, and so we have seen all this information in the first part of the video. So for applying, just click here on the registration now open tab. So after clicking on that tab, you will be redirected to this next page. So here you have to just go through all this information they have mentioned here, and you have a choice to apply for IT or BPS. Please note that you can register with us under only one category, and registering in incorrect category may lead you to repeat the entire registration process. So make sure you are applying with the right category. So for Smart Hiring, you have to select the IT here. So select and click on that IT. So next you will be redirected to the actual registration form. So if you have an already account in the Next Step portal, you can log in by clicking this login here, and if you don't have an account, then just go through all this form and fill all the information they will ask you to fill. So here they have asked like your name, you have to fill your DOB, your gender, your email ID, and so make sure you are putting your correct email ID, because all the further communications will be made to you only on the registered mail ID. So make sure you are putting the correct email ID, and you have to mention your mobile number, your institute name, your qualification, your year of passing, and the nearest test location. So here you can see a lot of name of the cities. So based on depending upon your choice, you can select any of the test location, and you have to create a password for your next step account. So you can put any password you wish, and you have to put a security question here. You can take any of the questions and put a security questions, and you have to fill the captcha here. And once you are done with filling all this information, you have to click on the submit. So in this way you will create an account in the Next Step portal. So after filling all this form, just log in the Next Step portal by putting the CTDT number, and the CTDT number you will get once you are done with filling all this form. So after that you will get your reference ID, that is the CTDT number, and after that just go to Next Step portal official website and put your CTDT number and your password there, and just log in to the Next Step portal. So after that you will see a bunch of tabs in the left corner. So from there you can apply for this opportunity. So the deadline to apply for TCS Smart Hiring Test is May 23rd, and if you come across any type of query, so you can just mail. So here they have given their official mail ID, that is careers@tcs.com. so you can drop a mail mentioning all the queries. They will resolve your queries. So in this way we have seen complete information about TCS Smart Hiring Test. We saw all the steps to register for this opportunity, the deadline, about the eligibility criteria, so which batches are eligible. So we saw all this information in a detailed manner. So I hope you guys like this video. If you fulfill all the eligibility criteria, then definitely apply for this opportunity, and I come up with this kind of opportunities on a regular basis. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.